Hello everyone and welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we will diving into a topic that often goes overlooked when it comes to computer performance. Task Manager Update Speed. Let me show you. Task Manager View and Update Speed. Many users believe that adjusting the update speed can boost their system performance, but the reality may surprise you. Let's explore the intricacies of these settings and understand its impact on your PC experience. About Task Manager views, high versus low versus pause. There are three options: high, low and pause, and the normal one. Sorry, my bad. When we open Task Manager, we often encounter the options to adjust the update speed. This settings determines how frequently Task Manager refreshes and update information about your system processes and performance. Let's break down the pros and cons of each option: high versus low, or you can say it's normal and then pause. So basically, high updates. Setting the update speed to high might seem like a good idea for real-time monitoring enthusiasts. Like you can see here the performance. Now this is live performance of my system and it's more accurate. Alright, it does provide more up to the moment informations, but here the catch: the continued updates come at a cost: system resources. This can inadvertently impact your overall PC performance, especially during resources intensive tasks like gaming or other demanding applications. Instead of this, there's another, the normal or low. Let's discuss the low, then you definitely will understand the normal one. So on the flip side, opting for a low update speed can be a wise move for those looking to conserve system resources. While it's update less frequently, it's help reduce the strain on your CPU and memory, which means RAM, contributing to a smoother overall performance. Now let's talk about the pause. If we do this, if you choose to pause the update altogether, you will save even more resources. However, keep in mind that this comes at the expense of real-time monitoring. Information in Task Manager won't be as current, potentially limiting its usefulness in certain scenarios. So, disadvantages of high speed and benefits of low is very simple. Now, let's delve deeper into the disadvantages of high update speed. While it's providing real-time updates, the increased resource consumptions can lead to a drop in PC performance, especially when multitasking or engaging in resource-intensive activities like gaming or any other process. On the other hand, opting for a low update speed not only conserve resource but also contribute to a more stable and responsive computing experience by finding the right balance. You can also see here now the everything is just pause, the 6% CPU, the 34 memory, but it was my last when before the pausing. Now if I go on low, so now it will start working, but it will still work like updating the information too slow. And if we go the normal one, definitely it will provide a much faster than before, but still it's kinda slow and less taking resource from your CPU and RAM. And then high, definitely now you will see far faster things happening, and this is the live update. So for better performance, put it on low. That's actually a better, but whenever you are monitoring, just put it on normal or high. It's so the next time you open the Task Manager, consider the implications of your chosen update speed. It's not merely about boosting performance, but rather finding a balance that aligns with your usage pattern and system capabilities. Thanks for joining us today on Windows Fixer. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good day.